learning tutorials. Welcome back to the fundamental basic sessions on Python wherein we were trying to code different codes. So back to the basics, we just wanted to print here this pattern, which is a combination of the asterisks and the increasing order. So I've created a pattern with a blank range and then I've given print the 10 stars, okay, for in the range 0 to 10. So for I in range 0 to 10, I want the pattern to append something. But what is that something? Something is the object or the wildcard called Asterik, okay, or the star as we call it. Now I want to append this, but where do I want to append? So I want to append it in this range, okay. So I said pattern dot append star and then pattern dot append I, and then if you just continue this and print the pattern, it will also print the numbers from 1 to 10. But I don't want to print the numbers from 1 to 10. So what I did, I've written pattern dot remove I. That means just add the asterisk but do not add the numbers here in the list. Okay, and then it said print pattern. So this is what we get. Alright. Hope you liked it and have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye. Okay, also I want to let's see one more thing, which is a square root. Okay, how to find a square root here and whether to find whether the letter is a vowel or not. So for that what I have done is, okay, let me start from here. So there are a couple of things I wanted to show. So this is we have already seen.